Today we are to learn a subject EVS Part 2, Chapter. My name is Vishal Khiste, and these are our expert team: Administrative Officer Mrs. Snehalata Thumbre, Nodal Beat Officer Mr. Sharad Kurade, Nodal HM Mrs. Pushpam Mary Paul, and Assistant Nodal HM Mrs. Manpreet Kaur, and CNO Ratilal Burumre. Good morning again, everyone. I am from Sivdi Crossroad MPS. From beginning of our chapter, we are start from the thought of the day. Enjoy the little things in life because one day you will look back and realize they were the big things. This is our today's thought that we have to enjoy every little things in our day-to-day life, helps to beautify our life, which helps to encourage to live positively. Now, students, tell me, what do you see in this picture?
Different types of food.
Different types of foods. Very good. Okay. And in second picture, what do you see?
Types of clothes.
Different types of clothes. Okay. And here,
This is a ancient time house.
this is a one type of ancient type house.
Ancient time house.
Yeah, yeah. Or we can call it as one type of a hut also. It is a hut-like picture. Okay.
Yes.
So from these three pictures, what do you think? What thought is come in your mind? We have seen three pictures. First is food. Second picture is clothes, and third picture is a hut. Then we can say that. First of all, tell me what are the basic needs of human being?
Shelter,
Uh,
clothes,
uh,
food,
Food. Yes,
water, education,
yes, yes, yes. Education, water. It
oxygen.
means that the most important, most important human needs are shelter, food, and clothes, and then uh, medical. These are some basic needs of our human being. So today we are going to learn a chapter number 7, from shelters to village settlement. EVS 2 chapter, from shelters to village settlement. In this chapter, we are going to learn three subpoints. First is shelter, second is seasonal camps, third is village settlement. Okay, we shall learn and understand the living habits of the early human and their change from shelters to village settlement as per the changing climate. We have saw that the Neanderthal man lived in caves, and at that time the climate in Europe, in Europe continent, was extremely cold, so that the Neanderthal could protect themselves from that freezing temperature, and because of that they need shelter for protecting from that freezing temperature, from that extremely cold environment. Okay, so that's why that man needs some shelter. And in this picture you can see a one stone type a shelter which they made for their protection from extremely cold climate, sun, and wind also. This is in second picture. You can see that Neanderthal man mainly lives in caves because of, as we know that the Europe climate was very extremely cold, and that's why they need to survive in that extremely cold climate. So they live in caves, and the caves are made up of stones, some caves are made up of wooden, or some caves are made up of made up of uh, animal uh, animals cover. This is animal skin, and
White tiger.
yeah, white tiger. We can say that it is a white tiger skin, and this is leather clothes and use fire to protect themselves from freezing cold. So Neanderthal man what do? They protect themselves from the freezing temperature, and that's why they wore leather clothing and use fire. So because of that, they maintain their body temperature and they can survive in extremely cold season also. Perhaps that was not enough for them. That's why they use animal hides to erect. Likewise, we can we have seen that these stone caves are also some animals habitat, and Neanderthal man are lives in that caves. Also, they erected tent inside the caves to keep the warm. Whenever the need arose, they also build hut in the open. In open area, they build a hut, and also in that they protect or they build in inside animal skin so that the cold wind could not come inside that hut, and they can protect from that uh, extremely cold season. Understood?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Now some seasonal camps. In seasonal camp, the Homo sapiens in Middle Stone Age, they established camps all over the world because at that time the climate was getting warmer. Means that extremely cold get slowly, slightly get warmer, and because of that they are going to settle down in many areas in all over the world. Everywhere the environment was changing, and with that the diet of that Homo sapien and Neanderthal are getting under changing because of the climate change. For example, in winter season, our diet is different, and in summer season, our diet is different. Likewise, that Homo sapien or that Neanderthal man, they also change their diet because the climate are getting changed day by day or year by year from cold region to warmer, and that's why they need to change their food. They need to change their diet so that they can survive in that extremely cold or extremely warm or the changing climate season. And that by that time of Middle Stone Age, some big animals are there like mammoths. They were on extinction because of they get hunted by Homo sapiens and climate change, and that because of that climate changing, some animals get extincted means they get destroyed or they get died, and so that human being that Homo sapien man or that Neanderthal man did not get their sufficient food, so they have to change their diet from hunting animal to another animals, that small animals, like they hunt smaller animals uh, like a wild boar or deer. This is a picture of mammoth. Mammoth, do you know anybody know
Yes.
what is a mammoth?
Yes.
Tell me.
It is like an elephant,
uh,
but it's not hunted on a very large scale.
yes.
That is why Homo sapiens had largely turned to fishing.
Uh-huh. Very good. The mammoth was an ancestor of an animal and ancestor of the elephant, and that's why he was much bigger in size as compared to elephant. So we can say that mammoth was an ancestor of the elephant. Due to this diet change and climate change, big animals like mammoth were on the way to extinction, and also they were hunted on large scale. That's why they get extinct. So that's why the Homo sapien are began to depend more on hunting smaller animals like wild boar or fishing or deer or mountain goat or and sheep also. This is some fishing hooks they are used to uh, used for fishing, and this is a wild boar. They started hunting small animals like wild boar, deer, mountain goat, and sheep also. It means that they change their diet pattern from bigger animal or large elephant to a small animals and also a fish, so that uh, from extremely cold region to warmer region, they have to change their diet. As a result, the diet of Homo sapien also changed, and they started roaming from place to place in search of food. As per the season, they started moving their camps from one place to another place. They moved their camps to different places according to seasonal changes. For example, wherever warm season, they are going to change their place that warmer season, and because of that, they are able to or they are survive in that warm season as compared to extremely cold season. And they are going to harvest their seasonal wild grains and gather seasonal fruits and roots also. And because of that, what happens, they are settled down they in some places or in areas where that food are going to cultivate, or some seasonal fruits or seasonal roots are getting to uh, survive, and also they decrease their hunting, or they get advantage for fishing. They would find out the best season for fishing and use the knowledge to their advantage. After settling down in camp, they harvested seasonal wild grains and gathered fruits and roots. By using their knowledge and observing, they would find the best season for fishing. Because of that, what happens? They change their pattern of eating or the diet pattern. So what happens in whole year? In whole year, they get different variety of food. For example, in one season they get grains, in one season they get fruits, in another season they get roots, in one season they get many more fishes, in another season they can hunt small animals like wild boar, deer, mountain goat, and sheep also. So it helps to get variety of food, and it helps in surviving in better way in a warm region, because that extremely cold season is get changed into a warmer region, a warmer season, and it helps to uh, mm, sustain in that season also. Got it?
Yes.
Oh,
Yes.
by observing, they discovered the best hunting grounds. This made this made them stay in one place for longer period. For setting camp, they cleared the jungle by felling the trees. Now they are thinking to settle down and they need a plain surface. But in that uh, age, in that stone age, there are many more jungles and many more trees in that jungle. So they have to cutting down some trees and make a plain area to settle or to make a colony or no make that colony. For that purpose, they are going to cut a tree, and whenever they are going to cut trees, it helps them to cook the or it helps them to make hut. It helps them to make hunting uh, for hunting that animals. Means the cutting of trees are helping for them and useful for their livelihood. Now, village settlement. Whenever they make a plain surface or plain area by cutting a tree, then they are going to settle in one particular area. In all over world, every tribe are going to settle. Every a group of that human being are going to settle, and they make colony, and the colony makes a village, and that and it happens during the new stone age, and the man become producer of food grain because man are going to agriculture. They are cultivating food, they are cultivating food grains, and because of that it has to be settled down for cultivating food, uh, and staying for long time, long period. They cleared jungles by felling trees and set up their seasonal camps in clearing. The way of life of humans in a new stone age was completely different from that of humans in old stone age and middle stone age, because there are three types of stone age. One is, how many types of stone age?
Three types.
Three
Types
types.
of knowledge.
Anybody can tell?
Yes.
Tell.
Middle. First is old Stone Age. Second is Middle Stone Age and New Stone Age.
uh, New stone age. So which age of human being are going to settle? New stone age. In new stone age, during that period, humans are going to settle down. They are become producer of food grains. They begin the cultivation of agriculture. The main characteristics of culture of this new stone age culture is beginning of cultivation, and because of that they have to settle for caring that plants, making foods, and keeping their food grains, fruits, or that roots in for many more days. In the earlier period, hunting and gathering was the way of life for which it was necessary to move from one place to another. Mean in old stone age they have to hunt. They have to hunt the animals because they don't know the idea to how to cultivate. They don't know the idea of agriculture. They only know about hunting and eating. They are hunting the animals, and for that they are wandering, or they are going from moving from one place to another place for hunting purpose. But whenever they get idea about agriculture or cultivation or farming, then they get settled down. They make colonies, they make villages, so that it helps them to protect themselves from wild animals. It helps them to cultivate in a one place, which helps them to get food grains in one area, not to move here and there, or one place to another place. It helps them to uh, gather each other. But in this period, due to agriculture, storing of food and using it for longer period made them stay in one place. Because of that, agriculture, they store their food for more time, for 1 year or 2 years, because they get a day by day they get an idea how to store food, how to cultivate new food grain, and how to prepare food. And because of that, they don't need to move from one place to another place, or one continent to another continent, or one area to another area. And so people established permanent village settlement and lived there for generation after generation. So what happened if someone is settled down in one area, then their next generation is also settled there. Another next generation is also settled down there, because they don't need to move, or don't need to hunt, or they don't need to go from one place to another place for hunting, because they fulfill their needs from agriculture. They fulfill their needs from their stuff they have stored in last year, or in last period. Whatever the stuff they have stored, they are going to eat, or they are going to intake. And because of that, they don't need to uh, wander from one place to another place. So that's why they are going to settle one generation to another generation. And because of that, the permanent settlement occurred, and that's why the colonies are occurred. And next is villages are occurred. Next level is small towns are occurred, big towns are occurred, cities are formed. And in a new era we have learned, we have lived this area, we are going to settle because of this process, settlement process. So in this chapter we have learned three types.
We have
Any
learned shelter,
uh,
seasonal camps, and
uh,
village settlement.
okay. So tell me about shelter. What Neanderthal man do for their protection from extremely cold region and all that.
The Neanderthals could protect themselves from the freezing temperature because they wore leather clothing and made use of fire.
Yes, yes. They made use of fire. Fire helped them to protect from wild animals also. Fire, fire is also useful for protection from cold also. And fire is also useful for them for food also, because the food they are going to burn, or they cook by the fire, with the help of fire they are going to eat. Okay. Second thing, we have learned a shelter, the types of shelters. Which type of shelters are they are going to create?
A warm two-room tent erect by Neanderthals man
uh,
inside a cave,
mm,
and
they use.
they used animals' hides to erect tents inside the caves for
uh,
warmth.
yes, yes.
Wherever necessary, they also built huts in the open.
Built, it is a built. Okay. Mm,
Build
mm,
huts in the open.
mm. And also there is a stone caves also there. They are live in that stone caves.
Yes.
And they are protecting their skin from extremely cold season by covering their skin with or covering their body by animal skin or animal leather. Okay. Also, they erected tent inside the caves to keep the birds or make some animals with the help of animal skin. They are going to erect tent inside the caves so that they keep warm. And then whenever from extremely cold season to warmer season, the climate are going to change. Some animals are going to extinct because of climate change. They are unable to survive the climatical change season, and they are going to extinct. Anybody can give one example of that animal which are extinct?
Mammoth.
Mammoth. Mammoth.
Mammoth.
Uh, Mammoth was
Mammoth. Mammoth was hunting smaller animals like the wild boar,
uh,
deer, mountain goat, and sheep.
yes, but mammoth. Uh, what type of animal it is?
The mammoth was the ancestor of the elephant. However, he was much bigger in size compared to the elephant.
Very good. Mammoth was an ancestor of the elephant, and it is much bigger size as compared to elephant. But because of the climate changes, they are going to extinct. Okay. Now, because of climate change, Homo sapiens are going to largely turn to fishing because they change their diet. Now they are going to fishing and also hunt like smaller animals like
Wild boar, deer, mountain goat, and sheep.
very good, very good. These are wild boar and this is mm, hunted by Homo sapien. Okay.
Yes.
Hmm. Then this picture shows a nomadic tribe, means the Homo sapiens are going to settle in various area of world. So that's why as per season they started moving their camps from one place to another place. Generally, they like to live in warm region because extremely cold season is not as much better than warm season. Okay, now they are going to cultivate crop cultivation. They learned how to cultivate crops, uh, how to gather fruits and roots. Now they gathered all fruits and roots and stored in. They know the idea how to store them, and because of that, they don't need to hunt every time. They store their food and eat for many more days. Okay, that's why they are setting camps. They cleared the jungle by felling the trees, and that trees or that woods are helpful them for making
Shelter.
shelter. It helps them to uh, make hunting. It helps them to create reconstruct a village settlement whenever they are settling from one place to, or they are may settle their camp in any area. It helps them to create their shelter. Okay.
And fire.
And that food grains or producer of food grains are start from new stone age. From new stone age, human being are going to produce grains, and they get idea to store, how to store or how to keep it for long time. Okay. And they are beginning of cultivation also. They stop hunting or they decrease their hunting because they gathered, they know the idea how to gather food or how to uh, take care of that food for a long time, and because of that they stop or they decrease their hunting from hunting of animals, because they are going to cultivate or they are going to cultivate the agriculture, or they produce food grain. Now tell me, how was the climate in Europe?
uh, you know, at that time, the climate in Europe was extremely cold.
Extremely cold. Okay. Where did Neanderthal man live?
Neanderthal man lived in caves.
Neanderthal man lives in caves for protection
Protection for
from extremely cold season, and also rain and wind also. Some animals are also going to hunting, so that's why they are going to live in caves. Next is how Neanderthals protect themselves from that cold season. Whenever there is in Europe, there are very uh,
The Neanderthals could protect themselves from the freezing temperatures
uh,
because they wore leather clothing and made use of the fire. Perhaps that was not enough. That is why they used animal hides to erect tents inside the caves for
uh,
warmth.
wow.
When wherever necessary, they also built huts in the open.
Uh, and it is not a bolt beta, it is built. 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 Built
Built.
means construct. They
Okay.
construct. Okay. Now next question. Which animals are mentioned in this lesson?
Mammoth,
Uh,
wild boar,
uh,
deer, a
uh.
mountain goat, and sheep.
Okay, okay. Some three, four animals are there mentioned in this lesson. Okay. Now tell me what we have learned from this chapter, from shelter to village settlement.
We have learned shelter,
Uh,
seasonal camps,
yes,
village settlements.
yes. We have learned shelter, seasonal camp, and village settlement. How new Stone Age human are going to settle, how seasonal camps are occur, and how shelters are built. These 3 points we have learned. Okay. Now fill in the blank. You have to fill the blank. The first question is, I have right here answers of two questions, and another you have to answer. Okay. The first question is, the Neanderthals lived mainly in caves.
Cave.
Very good. Second is, the Neanderthals lived in extremely cold climate in
Europe.
Europe. Okay. Third is, the Neanderthals could themselves from the freezing temperature.
Protect.
Protect,
Protect.
protect. Very good. Fourth question is, the made use of fire.
Wood. Wood. Clothing. Uh, wood. Let.
Who who made use of fire?
Neanderthal.
Neanderthal. Very good. So the Neanderthal made use of fire. The answer will be Neanderthal. Uh, the fifth question is, in the Middle Stone Age, group of Homo had established camps all over the world.
Homo sapiens.
Is it true? Anybody? Okay. The answer is Homo sapien. Okay. Very good. Sixth question. In the Middle Stone Age, the of Homo sapiens was undergoing change. because of the temperature is going, climate is going to change. So what they are going to change in themselves, everywhere there is environment was changing, and with that Homo sapiens are going to change. What? No,
I
the diet. Very good. Because they are going to change the diet. Why they are going to change the diet?
because that is why Homo sapiens has largely turned into fishing.
No, yes, they turn to fishing. But why? Why it happens that they are turned to fishing
By
rather
the
than
time of the Middle Stone Age, big animals like mammoths were on the way of extinction due to the changing environment, and also because they were hunted on very large scale. That is why Homo sapiens has largely turned into fishing. He also begins to depend more on hunting smaller animals like the wild boar, deer, mountain goat, and sheep.
very good. So the answer will be diet. In the Middle Stone Age, the diet of Homo sapien was undergoing change because of extinction of big animals like mammoth. Okay, very good. Seventh question. The change diet pattern enabled the groups of Homo sapiens to roam to faraway regions. Okay. Eighth question. During dash dash Stone Age, Homo sapiens were able to stay at one place for longer period.
Middle Stone Age.
Anybody? Is it right answer? Okay, right answer. During Middle Stone Age, Homo sapiens were able to stay at one place for longer periods. Now, ninth question. Homo sapiens cleared jungles by felling trees and set up their seasonal dash dash in the clearing.
Seasonal camps.
Seasonal camp. Good. Tenth question. During New Stone Age, humans become dash dash food grain of food grain.
Homo sapiens during New Stone Age, humans become during New Stone Age, humans become uh,
Mhm.
producers.
Producer of food grain.
Producers.
Producers of food grains. Very good. 11th question. Are you enjoying this
Yes,
questionnaire?
sir. Yes, sir.
Oh, okay. The beginning of dash dash is characteristics of the culture of the New Stone Age.
Cultivation. Sir,
Cultivation. Is it
yes,
true?
yes.
Okay, very good. 12. The nature of agriculture work made it necessary to stay in dash place for humans.
One place.
One place. Very good.
One place for the humans.
Very good. Very good. The nature of agriculture work made it necessary to stay in one place for humans. So the next slide is state whether the following statements are true or false. The first question is the Neanderthals lived mainly in caves. True or false?
True.
True. Very good. Second, the Neanderthals lived in extremely cold climate in Europe.
True.
Anybody? Is it true or false?
So it is true.
It is true. Oh, very good. Third question. The Neanderthals could not protect themselves from the freezing temperature.
False. False.
False. Very good. Next question. The Neanderthals made use of fire.
True. True.
True. Okay. Fifth question. In the Middle Stone Age, groups of Homo sapiens had established camps all over the world.
True.
Is it really true or false?
False.
Are you confident? True or false?
True.
Arre? First of
Sir,
all, you have to
false.
false or true. I
False.
think you are
False.
going to confuse.
False.
False. I repeat the
True.
question. In the Middle Stone Age, groups of Homo sapiens had established camps all over the world.
True.
True. The answer will be true. 6. In the Middle Stone Age, the diet of Homo sapiens was undergoing change.
True.
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 True is right answer. Very good. So I think you have enjoyed this chapter. And anybody have any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Thank you then. This is your homework, multiple choice questions. You can take a screenshot of these questions and solve in your notebook. Okay. Thank you everyone. Bye
Thank.
bye.
Bye, bye, sir.